Hi students, this is Mahalakshmi. Today I am going to teach real numbers and the decimal expansions NCERT topic. In that, what do you mean by real numbers? Real numbers are the combination of rational and irrational number. So what do you mean by rational number? Rational number is always written in the form of P by Q, right? So say some examples: 5 over 3, 3 over 2, 4 over 5, and so on. What are irrational numbers? Irrational number means it should not be written in the form of P by Q. Then what is the example for that? It should be in decimal form. It may be square root form, like that. So 0.165 pi, the value of pi is 22 over 7, and 1.114, and square root of 3, square root of 516, and so on. So these are all examples for irrational numbers. Got it? And then what do you mean by rational number and irrational number? So rational number means the solution, it should be terminating. So what do you mean by terminating? The question should be an end. The remainder becomes zero. That is called terminating decimal. And non-terminating and repeating means, see, this is one example: 7.478, and so on. So here the remainder does not getting zero, and the numbers are keep on repeating, right? So this is called non-terminating. So terminating, also non-terminating and repeating, all comes under rational number. So what do you mean by irrational number? Irrational number means non-terminating and non-repeating. So what does it mean? Say one example. The example is given by 1.01, and so on. So this is non-terminating, right? Terminating means it has some end. Non-terminating means it does not have end. So the remainder should not getting zero, and the numbers also not repeating. So these are all comes under irrational number. Okay, now let's move on to work out some problems. So the first problem is 36 over 100. This is P by Q form. Also, this is the rational form, right? So you had to change into decimal expansion. So how to change this? You had to divide as usual, right? You had to divide and show here. Then only you'll get the answer easily. So 100 is give outside, and 36 you had to put inside. So how many times 36 in 100? 0 times. So 36 minus 0 is 36, and then keep on decimal and insert 1 0. So 360, 100 threes are 300, subtract, then 60, add one more 0. How many times? 6 times. So 600. So the remainder is 0, right? The quotient is 0.36. So which means, what does it mean? It is terminating decimal, right? Terminating. So the answer is terminating. Terminating means the remainder is 0 and the quotient has some end. Okay. And move on to next example. 1 over 11. Okay, is it terminating or non-terminating? Let's check. You have to divide. So how many times? It's 0 times. So subtract. Then 1, keep one decimal point and insert 1 0. So how many times? Again 0. Then 10, insert 1 0. Then 11 nines are 99. Right? 100 minus 99 is 1. So look at your question, the same one. Here also the same one. So it's keep on repeating again, right? So you insert 1 0, and it's 0 times. Then 100 again, 11 times 9 is 99. So it's keep on going. So it is non-terminating. The answer is 0.0909, and so on, which means it has no remainder, and it is non-terminating, also repeating, right? Repeating. This one you should write like this. Which numbers are keep on repeating? 0, 9. So you had to put bar like this. 0.09 bar means 0.090909, and keep on moving up. So this is the answer for the given question. And then 4 times 1 by h. Look at the question. This is one whole number and this is one p by q form, and entirely it is given in mixed form. So how do we work out this? First you have to write like this: 4 plus 1 over h, that is 4 over 8, right? So you have to divide 1 over 8. You keep as it is this 4, then 1 over 8 how many times? 0. Then subtract, keep on decimal. So 8 ones are 8, 10 minus 8 is 2, and then insert 1 0, then 8 twos are 16, then 4, insert 1 0, 8 fives are 40, right? So you'll get a reminder. Your quotient is 0.125. Add 4 plus 0.125, that is 4.125. So your answer is terminating because you have a reminder 0. So the answer is terminating. Okay. Move on to next question. 3 over 13. So is it terminating or non-terminating? How do we find this? So you just divide. Then only you can find easily. So in 0 times 0, 3 minus 0 is 3, and then keep on decimal point 30. How many times? 13 twos are 26. Then 4, insert 1 0, then 3 times 13 threes are 39, right? Then 1, insert 1 0, then 0 times 0, then again 100. So how many times 100? 13 times 7. So 13 times 7 is 91, right? 91 I will write here. 100 minus 91 is 9. So insert 1 0. How many times 90 in 13 table? 6 times. 13 times 60, 6 is 78. 90 minus 78 is 12. So add 1 0. How many times 120 in 13 table? 9 times. 13 times 9 is 117. So your reminder is 3. Now observe your question. You got the same reminder, right? The question again you take. So which means the number should be keep on repeating. You can stop up to this and then your number should be keep on repeating. Okay, let's check. Insert 1 0. How many times? 30. 2 times. Again, it start from 2, 3, 0, 7, 6, 9 and all. So minus 26 and then 4 and keep on going. It has no end and it is non-terminating. Your remainder also not getting 0. So the answer is 0.230769. Again 230769. Which numbers are repeating? 0.230769 is repeating. So you keep more at the top. So this is the answer. This is non-terminating and also repeating. Okay. This is the answer for the given question 3 over 13. And then the next question 2 over 11. So is it terminating or non-terminating? Just to divide and check. So how many times? 0 times. So 2 minus 0 is 0. Keep on decimal. 11 ones are 11. Then 9. 11 eights are 88. Then 2. Observe the question. The divisor and remainder are same. So again the 18 is keep on going. So how many times? 11 ones are 11. 20 minus 11 is 9. 11 eights are 88. I'll write again. 90 minus 88 is 2. Again you got 2. So it's keep on repeating. So what is your question? 0.18, 18, 18 and so on. So how you should write? 0.18 bar, right? You had no reminder. The numbers are keep on repeating and it is non-terminating. So how you should write? This is non-terminating. Also repeating. So this is the answer for the given question. Okay. Then the last sum, 329 over 400. So is it terminating or non-terminating? How you will find? You just divide and check. So how many times? 0 times 329. So insert 1 0 and keep on decimal. How many times? 408s are 3200. You just divide 90 and then insert 1 0. How many times? 2s are 800. Then 9 minus 8 is insert 1 0. How many times? Again 2 times. 800. Then 200. Insert 1 0. How many times? 5 times. Right? 5 fours are 20. So now your reminder is 0. You have some question that is 0.8225. The number is not repeating. So your remainder also getting 0. So the answer for this is terminating decimal. Okay. Thank you, students.